Okay, this is a feature wall done by Peninsula Floating Floors. If you really want something special, then the versatility of Prestige European Oak is just such a beautiful product on the floor, but it's even more beautiful when you put it on the wall. None of that generic wall cladding you see everywhere. This has just become something really special. Let's have a look. So, like I say, this one's Piranha. Still got to be corked. So it's amazing the versatility of the product. Just up to your own imagination. So this is the second bedroom, another feature wall. This is Prestige European Oak. This is Storm. Again, it's still got to be corked. It's a real modern hotel chic look, and yeah, beats a feature wallpaper, that's for sure. Just feels good, you know. What a transformation. And this is the third bedroom. If you want to go crazy, so this is Storm. We got a custom made, it's actually a stair nose, it's just a custom made L shape, and it just came out beautifully. So this has all been corked, so it looks a bit neater, but again, this really came out nicely. Sorry about the lighting, there's no lighting in here, just got the work light on. But yeah, it came out really nicely. Shame the walls weren't square, and yeah, mitring's pretty difficult, but all in all, it's come out really nicely. I know the client's very happy, Michael. This is the same Merrick's property. It's going to be an Airbnb, so it's really something to look high end. Have another video when we get all the furniture set up again, probably of the whole property. It's just been such a transformation. So there you go, with a bit of imagination, you can go a bit crazy with this stuff.